Hello guys, welcome back to the Quick Start AngularJS course. Okay, before we start coding our BooKart application, I would like to explain a widely used design pattern called MVC. MVC is a widely used design pattern on client and server side. Now the next question will come into your mind, what is a design pattern? Well, a design pattern is a solution to the common problem. We got many similar problems in our life, right? Say we need a place to keep our cash. So different people used to keep their cash at different places. So we devised a common solution for the problem. What we call it? Well, a bank. Similarly, across many IT projects, we are facing the same problem again and again. To solve these same problems, someone developed a solution called MVC design pattern, a common solution to software development projects. MVC is made up of three different components: model, view, and controller. The first component, model, is responsible for storing data. The second component, view, is a presentation of this data. The third component, controller, is responsible for the action taken by the user on the view component, and those actions are handled in a controller. We call it a business logic. All these three components work together to make a complete application. Let's try to understand MVC with an example. Suppose we got a requirement for creating the MP3 player. What will be the first component, that is model, for our application? Any guess? An array of songs. We can call it a playlist. Now, how we are going to represent this data model as a view, the second component of MVC? Something like this: list of songs and buttons to control the player. So we have a nice MP3 player with data or a model and its presentation or a view. But it's of no use if the user will not be able to play the song, right? When the user clicks on the play button, the song should be played, and this activity of playing the song should not be handled by the view. It doesn't seem to be its responsibility. We delegate this responsibility to the third component, our controller. We'll create a controller called music controller, which will handle the responsibility of playing the song. We can create a function named play to handle this responsibility. Seems nice? So we have the MP3 player playing songs. But when we click on any of the song to play, we may require to display some more information related to this song, maybe an artist name and its genre. The controller can also handle this responsibility for us. After executing the play function, the controller can load the data related to the current song, maybe from the server. And this new data will be stored into the model. We can call it current song info. As we got a new data, we should have a presentation for it. So we may present the song info like this. I think you got an idea how these three different components work together in an application. Dividing your application into these three different components also keeps the application objects loosely coupled from each other. Okay guys, this is all about MVC design pattern. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.